Now let us understand the meaning and definition of partnership. Yes, what are we understanding? We are understanding what does partnership mean. Yes. Now let us read this point. Partnership is a voluntary association between two or more persons who agree to carry on business together and share its profits and losses. Yes, before we understand this point in depth, let us understand this graph. Yes, Mr. A is there and Mr. B is there. Yes, Mr. A is there and Mr. B is there. A and B come together to form what? AB firm. Yes, Mr. A and coming together to form what? AB firm. Now let us understand this definition with the help of this example. Partnership is a voluntary association between two or more persons. Yes, so Mr. A and Mr. B are voluntarily coming together to form AB firm. Yes, so this AB firm must be a voluntary association. No one should be forced into getting into partnership. A must be voluntarily getting into AB partnership firm and B must voluntarily get into AB partnership firm. So there should be a voluntary association between Mr. A and Mr. B, between two or more persons. So there are basically two or more persons. Mr. A is there and Mr. B is there. So it should be always two or more persons to form a partnership. Yes, less than two persons cannot form a partnership. Yes, who agree to carry on business together and share its profits and losses. So the intention of AB firm is to carry on business, and with that intention it's able to earn its profits or incur losses. Yes, and by earning profits it's able to share that profits between A and B, and if it's incurring losses it should be able to share it between A and B. Yes, who have agreed to carry on business together and share its profits and losses. Yes, now let us read point number 2. As per section 4 of the Indian Partnership Act 1932, partnership is a relation between persons who have agreed to share profits of the business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. Yes, there is something known as section 4. What is section 4? There is something known as Indian Partnership Act 1932. Under that, there is something known as section 4. What is the section 4 saying? The section 4 is defining partnership. What is it defining partnership as? Partnership is a relationship between persons. What is it? It's nothing but a relationship between Mr. A and Mr. B, between persons who have agreed to share profits of the business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. Who have agreed to share profits of the business. Okay, what is it? It's a relationship between Mr. A and Mr. B who have agreed to form this partnership firm, AB firm, and intention of this partnership firm is to carry on business, and with that intention it should be able to share the profits of the business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. What does this mean? Carried on by all or any of them acting for all mean? Carried on by all means A and B both can carry on AB firm business, or A can carry on AB firm business on behalf of B. Yes, carried on by all or any of them acting for all. So AB firm business can be carried on by either A or B or both A and B. Yes, so in the absence of A, B can carry on AB firm. Yes, in the absence of B, A can carry on AB firm. Carried on by all, either A and B, they can both carry on the business or any of them acting for all. So A can act on behalf of B and carry on the business of AB firm. Now let us read point number 3. The persons who have entered into partnership are individually called partners and collectively a firm. Yes, so individually Mr. A is known as partner A. Yes, and individually Mr. B is known as partner B. Yes, but are collectively known as AB firm. Yes, individually they are known as partner A and partner B, but are collectively known as the AB firm. Yes, the name under which the business is carried on is called as firm name. Yes, the business under which the name under which the business is carried on is known as the firm name. So the firm name is known as AB firm. The name under which the business is carried on is called firm name.